I just been doing this all fucking day. I've been trying to record a video and do a makeup video with you guys all freaking morning, and I've had this to deal with. It literally sounds like a train is going by my house. Holy shit. Okay guys, it's really windy. I'm sorry about the background noise. I need to get one of those lapel mics that limits the background noise, but I don't have one yet, and we're just gonna have to deal with it being super freaking loud. So I've recently done a crap ton of grainy looks on my channel and my Instagram lately, so I think I'm going to switch it up and do a pink and purple look today. So if you guys haven't recently seen my video in collaboration with Laura, it'll be up on, it's already up on my channel, I'll link it up in the eye. I did a really pretty green and pink eye look, and I did it was like a duo look. So like one eye was green, one eye was pink, and then one eye had green eyeliner and one eye had pink eyeliner, and it was really fun and it was really creative. So today I want to do another fun look with you guys. I want to do another colorful look, but I want to use my Jaclyn Hill palette again. So this is the Jaclyn and Morphe Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, which is one of my favorite palettes to use. And I really haven't used it that much on the channel with you guys, so I really want to incorporate it. So I've already primed my eyes using the Jeffree Star concealer in the shade C2, and I have tried to do multiple looks, multiple videos today, and nothing is working, and I don't know why. So let's zoom in a little bit. All right, so now that you guys are zoomed in, we can go ahead and start this eye look. So I'm gonna go into that Positivity color, and I'm just going to put that all into my crease. Oh my god, the wind is finally being quiet. Hopefully it shuts up for 20 minutes so I can do this video with you guys. So this is a really, really gorgeous pink. I really love this color. I've used it a couple times now in a few of my videos, and it's one of the best colors in my opinion in this palette. It is so gorgeous. I love this pink color. So I'm just blending it out and blowing it out. So now I'm just going in with no more product on my brush. I've just wiped it off on a cloth, and I'm just blending it out and blowing it out. All right. So now on to the outer corner. I think I want to go into a dark purple color. So I'm going to go in using my tapered brush. So this is my Luxie Tapered Mini Angled, and I'm going to go into Therapy Sesh. So I'm going to go into this purple right here. This is really, really pretty, kind of almost pastel purple, and I think it's really pretty. And I'm going to put that on my outer corner. And that is really pretty. I'm just gonna blend it into that pink. These colors blend together so nicely. I've tried using a couple of other palettes today, and they don't blend nearly as easily and effortlessly, oh my god, I can't not talk, effortlessly as these colors do together. This is such an awesome palette. I literally love it so much. So I just threw on that purple on the outside. I think I'm gonna put that purple on the inner corner as well. So going into my Luxie Mini Angled brush. So it's like a small round brush. I'm gonna go in to that same purple. Get that color off of it though. There's like a dark brown on it. So I'm gonna go into that same purple, and I'm going to put that right on the inner corner and flick it up. Now on the center, I'm going to cut out my crease. Do I want to cut? Yeah, I want to cut out my crease, and I am going to use just a Luxie crease brush for that. So I'm just taking a little bit of the Jeffree Star concealer in C2, and I'm just going to cut out the center to do a halo. And then I'm just going to go back into that purple color and just blend in where the concealer may have gone a little bit too far. And then I'm going to go back into that first color, so Positivity, and I'm just going to blend in that crease just to bring back that pink color. And I think that pink color is actually the color that I want to put on the inner lid portion that is just concealer right now. So I'm just going to take a little bit of Positivity, and I'm going to go right onto the center of my eyelid. And then I'm gonna go back into Therapy Sesh and just re-intensify the outer and inner corner. And just bring that purple all the way around. That's really pretty. And now onto the center of the lid. I think I'm going to add a sparkle. So I have this glitter from Midas Cosmetics. I have not used their glitters yet, and I'm really excited to try them. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of glitter glue just on my brush. So this is I think it was the Alamar Cosmetics. It has all rubbed off now. This is a brush that I don't use very often, so that's why I'm okay with using glue on it, just glitter primer. So I'm just going to put the glitter primer right on top of that first color that we laid down. It's right on the center. And where the glitter primer that I'm laying down on my eye goes is where I want the glitter to go. So make sure you don't go too crazy with the glitter primer, because glitter will stick anywhere that you put it down, because it's really, really sticky and really works really well. So I'm just gonna let it sit for about 30 seconds until it gets tacky. Maybe not even 30 seconds, maybe like 10 or 15 seconds. That's where it starts getting tacky. So it's tacky now, my brush is starting to stick to it. So I'm just gonna go directly into the glitter, and I'm going to apply it right over top. Holy crap, yeah, this is the glitter that I wanted today. I tried doing another look with a chunkier glitter, and I'm just not really that good at using the chunky glitter yet. So I need to practice more without filming and just get it like used to using it before I'm gonna go on and do a video with you guys, because I was just getting frustrated and I just wiped off the eye look because I got mad. But that glitter looks so good. It is so pretty. That is 100% what I was going for today. I really like this. It's almost like a Barbie freaking eye look. So I'm going to quickly clean up my outer corner, do this eye, do my full face of makeup. I'm not using any other products that I don't normally use. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Pretty Fresh, this is the hyaluronic acid tinted moisturizer mixed with my foundation. I like using these together because it makes a really pretty base. I'm gonna go ahead and do all of the normal face makeup that I usually do, and I will be right back to finish this eye look with you guys. Okay, so I am back with my full face of makeup on, and now we can finish up the under eyes. So I think I'm just gonna do something very simple underneath the eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with the color, I'm gonna go into the color Lolly Mama. So it's kind of like a mixture between pink and purple. It's kind of like a fuchsia color right here. So I'm gonna go in with that color, and I'm just going to sweep that underneath my eyes using my Lexi Mini angled brush. And I'm just gonna go into a little bit of Tipsy Girl, which is that hot pink color, and I'm just going to add that in. Then I'm gonna go in with a pointer brush. I'm gonna go into Positivity and Lolly Mama, so that orangish pink color that we have, and a little bit of that purple color, and just really blend it in. And then I'm gonna go into a blender brush with no color on it, and just going to blow out the colors. I'm also going to take a little bit of that purple and just connect it on the outer corner, because I didn't do that. All right, so now that that is what the under eye looks like, I'm just gonna quickly go ahead and do this eye, do some mascara and a little bit of liner on the waterline, and I will be right back. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of that hot pink glitter that we used. So I'm gonna go back into the same brush that already has a little bit of the glitter on it, and I'm just gonna see if I can apply just a little bit to the inner corner. No, it's not really sticking. So I'm going to have to use my glitter glue again. I'm just gonna take the tiniest amount on my brush, put it on the inner corner, just a little bit on each side. Just putting the tiniest amount because I don't want it to be too crazy. And I'm just going directly into that glitter, and just going to tap it on the inner corner. I think that is the perfect amount. So now I got a little bit of glitter on my face. I'm just gonna brush that off. And it's just kind of staying there. So whatever, I had a little bit of glitter on my face from Fallout, which is fine. It's not a big deal considering this look is, holy shit. This look is already very glittery. So this was the color Cotton Candy from Midas Cosmetics. I'm absolutely obsessed with this glitter. I love how fine this is. I have some other glitters from the same company. So I have some stars, I have some chunkier glitters, but I really like this fine glitter. I think I'm gonna order more of this stuff just because I much strongly prefer fine glitter over chunkier glitter. So now I'm going to try and apply a star. So I have a star glitter and I'm going to try to apply one or two of them onto this look. I don't know if it's going to work out, but we shall see. So I'm going to take a little bit of glitter glue and I'm going to put one of the stars right here. And I just want to attempt to see if it will work. So those stars are a little bit too dark, I think. So I'm gonna try and apply some of my iridescent ones just to see if that one works a little bit more. Because you can't really see those, so I'm going to peel them off. They are very easy to apply and take off, so at least that's a blessing. And I didn't take off any of my makeup, so I'm just gonna go in with, there's two on this, and see if they will. It did add just a little bit to the look, but you can really barely see them. I'm going to see if I can apply to the same spot on this side. Makeup is all about experimenting, guys, so don't be scared to do something just in case it may screw up a look. I'm just taking a little bit of glitter glue and tapping it right there, and then I'm gonna go on top with two stars. I think that looks cute. I'm gonna leave it. I'm very amateur when it comes to chunky glitter and using cutouts like this. As you guys can tell, I'm not very good at it. I definitely strongly prefer fine glitter. Chunkier glitter, I love the look of it and I love how it looks on other people, but I tend to not like how it looks on me, or I tend to not be able to make the look cool. But I'm gonna continue to keep trying and playing with it and practicing, and maybe I will be able to get them in the future. But for now, I think that's cute. There's just like two little added stars in there that are just a little bit of an addition, and I don't think they look bad. I think they look pretty cute. So I'm going to quickly clean up my desk, grab a wig, throw on a lipstick, and I will be right back. And this is the finished look once it's all done. So I think it looks really pretty. It's really sparkly, really spring-like, and I really like using my hot pink liner. This wing is a little messed up. Actually, they're both kind of messed up, so it is what it is. I'm not that great at doing eyeliner. I just paired it using my wig that I got off of Amazon. It's nothing new. It's actually quite a very old wig, so it is what it is. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this. Join my growing family. We are almost at 2,000 subscribers, so if you guys would, please hit the subscribe button. I see in my analytics that there is a lot of people watching my channel that are not subscribed. Don't be a lurker. Hit the subscribe button. Join my family. It's free. It won't hurt you, I promise. If you guys are interested in seeing more videos like this, please leave me a comment. Please just talk to me in the comments down below. I like responding to you guys. I like getting comments from you guys. I like hearing what you guys are doing. I like hearing what you guys want to see from future videos. I just like communicating with you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing more of my face, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!